Welcome back, Cat Babes. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to recreate this prom look that I am currently wearing right here. If you'd like to see how to achieve a really simple and easy look by purchasing a palette at your local Kohl's, just keep watching and let's get started. Welcome back, Cat Babes. So go ahead and pick up any eyeshadow primer base. I'm going in with the NYX eyeshadow in the color Natural. Just go ahead and place this all over your lid. This is going to act as, again, the base for your eyeshadow so that the colors show up as vibrant as they possibly can. And you just want to make sure that this is all over your eyelid so that way you have a good foundation for the eyeshadows that we will be applying. And then going in with the Stay Matte by Rimmel London in the color Sandstorm, you just want to go ahead and place that over the eyeshadow primer base so that basically the eyeshadows don't stick to the cream, because I've tried that before and they just move and they don't blend out. And then going in with the tan color in the Take Me Back, the Royal Affair palette by BH Cosmetics. You just want to pick that up and put that in your crease. And then going in with the other light brown shade, you just want to go ahead and add that over the top. And just remember, guys, you have to keep blending. The key to any eye look is blending out the eyeshadow so that they look seamless and flawless and that they flow together. That is the key to anything and everything when it comes to makeup. And then going in with the dark chocolate brown shade, picking up a BH Cosmetic brush. This brush is one of their tiny brushes for the Royal Affair collection. This one really does get into the nooks and crannies of your eyes, and it does amazing for this eye look, I think. Just keep blending, blending, blending. I don't know why I just did that. But just keep adding the color a little bit by little bit and then going back in with the lighter shades to blend up. That way it doesn't look harsh. Because I realized that with this dark chocolate brown shade, it does tend to look a little harsh. And then going in with the gold shimmer shadow in that palette, go ahead and apply that to the middle section of your eye as if we were doing a halo cut crease. And then just add more of that brown so that it looks like they were meant to go together. And then going in with the e.l.f. hydration drops, just go ahead and put those all over your face. Rub them in, make your skin feel like a baby's butt cheek, nice and soft. And then you're going to want to go in with the foundation. I forgot which one I used, in all honesty. Oh, my go-to one. The, what's it called? The Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 128. You just want to go ahead and put this all over your face, blend it out. Make it look pretty. There are so many different techniques on how to apply your foundation. I don't even know where to begin and explain it. I just think that the patting motion seems to work better for my face. I know Jaclyn Hill does one where she explains that you spray it every time you put the sponge on your face, but I would have to try that to see if it works out for me in general. And then going in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Light Peach, just go ahead and buff that out in your under eye, your forehead, and your chin, and those are going to be the highlighting points of your face. And then I don't really have to explain what I do next. I literally do this in every video. I use the Physicians Formula powder underneath my eye, Sandstorm powder on my face, the Physicians Formula bronzer and the Wet n Wild bronzer, the Smoke and Mirrors blush, and then the e.l.f. highlighter in gold. And that is literally the same steps that I do for my face in every video. So we're going to skip past that without me explaining it. Then going in with the e.l.f. highlighter, just go ahead and put that on your shoulders, your collarbones, just to give a little pop and a little bit something extra. And then going in with the Royal Affair palette, go ahead and pick up that dark chocolate brown shade, and you're just going to want to put that right underneath your under eye. Blend, 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 guys. I can't emphasize that enough. You have to blend any look that you do. And then going in with that same gold shade, just go ahead and put that in your inner corner and underneath your brow bone to give yourself a little highlight and a little pop of color there as well. Then going in with my favorite brow pencil by e.l.f. No, Wet n Wild, that's what it is. Oops. Just go ahead and carve out them brows, make them look fancy and glamorous. And then brush them bad boys out to make them lay in place. Then using one of my favorite Falsies mascaras, just go ahead and plop that on the top lash and the bottom lashes. And yes, I did apply falsies off camera because I don't particularly like trying to do them on camera. It takes too long. But I could do an in-depth tutorial on how to apply them. And then going in with the Wet n Wild Fiery Red Engine lipstick, go ahead and put that on your lips. And that is the end of this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a comment below on what you'd like to see next, and I'll catch you in my next one. Thank you.